Next up is Stanley to talk about AdvaaH.
Okay, hello. My name is Stanley Wissmar, and I'm founder of a wearables company. And we have been developing wearables and more kind of like focus on aesthetics, that we actually more look similar to ordinary jewelry than more like a gadget or that type of design. Let's see now. How do I switch?
Just right to the right, go to the right on the keyboard. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, great. Yes, and our type of vision and business model is we're looking both or integrating authentication, health, and interactivity. But what I'm going to present here is primarily wearables, which is based on NFC or RFID, which is the more traditional name for it. So what we have here is different collections. We have a type of more of a ceramic-based type of jewelry, and as well this type of jewelry as well, which you can use for different types of applications I'm coming into. Like for payments, for example. We have problems today. Obviously, you have contactless coming with credit cards right now. Also, which is more and more coming here in Sweden. I know it's more mature in the States. You have Apple Pay, you have Samsung Pay. There are obviously pros, but also a lot of cons with these types of applications or solutions. And we see we can offer a more fast and easy way of interacting for authentication, payments and such. So we offer obviously traditional rings, bracelets, and traditional watches, as well as leather straps. Again, as more focusing on having a aesthetical, nice design than on the technical perspective. And then obviously you have the problem again from the authentication or access system side. Obviously you have keys, you have key fobs, obviously for commuting and office access. And we see here, this is kind of like also where wearables will replace these traditional types of ways of storing your important products for your personal use. So again, it can be used with all these types of wearables, which we can offer, and then maybe you want to have your key to the house in the bracelet, or you want to have the access to your office in the watch strap, and some third application where using a ring, for example, or if you want to even increase your security, you can do two-factor authentication. So you can combine any of these two to access or to do what type of authentication you want to do. So we have different types of collections here. This is ceramic rings, which is very, very nice designs to different types of smartphones. We have another more type of traditional ring, which all these also use traditional types of materials, only traditional metals and ceramics and gemstones. And yeah, here we have for women's collection as well. This is the same as this one. And then we have a different types of collection, which 1 minute, yeah. If this is more to your desire, you can order these ones as well. And this is for women's collections as well. It's kind of like similar as the men's collection, but it's other types of precious stones on it as well. I can go into the services, last 30 seconds. Aura Pay, for example, is an alternative to Apple Pay and Samsung Pay. And then you can use it for payments. You can download it from Google Play and use it. I would say in merchants which are small merchants where you can find iSettle type of alternative merchants and payments. And as well for authentication, you can use for these types of access system companies as well. So that's all.